So let me share a secret. You're the reason for these feelings. And anytime you need me, baby, you know how to reach me. 'Cause I ain't going nowhere. I already told ya, baby, when we're older, love's growing bolder. Anywhere the road leads, anywhere we're going, everybody.
Hello friends, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be diving into my beauty room and doing some decluttering and cleaning. I'm going to do a few updates around the house and just want to take you guys along with me. So if you guys are interested, just make sure you guys keep on watching. We're going to go ahead and start in my beauty room. I'm just kind of going through some of my makeup and getting rid of some of the things that are a little outdated, things that I don't use, stuff like that. I normally give any makeup that I don't want to my little sister or my mom. She loves my videos and she loves my makeup tutorials that I did in the past. And I'm just not into makeup a whole lot more because of my eczema, so I've been giving some things to her because she actually really enjoys makeup and thinks it's really neat. So I like to give her that. And then I'm just going through some of like my old mascaras and eyeliners and things like that.
Knows that every single moment we are matching sides and we blur the lines as hard as we tried. Well, we couldn't fight it, you know. The angels cried out for you and I when we knew it was right. We are fire signs.
Baby, leaning closer. Let me love you like a soldier. A soldier loves his country. I'll defend you if you want me. 'Cause I ain't going nowhere. I already told you, baby, when we're older, our love's growing bolder. Anywhere the road leads, anywhere we're going, everybody knows it. Every single moment we are
Matching sides and we blur the lines as hard as we tried. Well, we couldn't fight it, you know. The angels cried out for you and I when we knew it was right. We are fire signs.
I already know what you.
Here you're just seeing me put away some of the nail things that I had out. I have been doing my nails with dip powder recently, and I've been loving this brand. It's called Rossi. It's Rossi, and it's a dip powder brand, which I've been absolutely loving. If you guys want to check out their website, you guys can. I just really like their colors and how long it lasts.
I could tell something was up. You started changing, stopped hitting me up. You started flexing. I thought we had a thing, thought it was our time. Guessing it was a lie. I felt so hard. They left and broke my heart. Left and broke my heart. Made me believe you felt the same. Now I'm left with the pain. Left with the pain. I wanna know, is he the reason that you left? I wanna know, is he the reason I can't call you anymore? Why even bother with the text if you're back with your ex? Is he the reason, the reason? I wanna know, constantly checking your IG.
So I found this rug at Costco, I believe. It's actually a really decent size, and I think it was like 60 or 80 bucks. So it was a really good deal. I couldn't pass it up. But we actually just got new furniture upstairs and put our old couch downstairs for the first time, and we're just kind of trying to make it into like a little family area so where you can watch movies. We have a pull down projector screen down there and like haven't even been using it, so it's just nice to like actually have things down here now. So yeah, I just went ahead and laid down the rug, put the couch back, and put the coffee table back, and just made it a little more cozier.
Stories, waiting for a post to see if it's him. I heard you moved on so easily. How could you forget about me? I felt so hard. They left and broke my heart. Left and broke my heart. Made me believe you felt the same. Now I'm left with the pain. Left with the pain. I wanna know, is he the reason
So I went ahead and picked up a new vanity, and I'm so excited to unbox this. I actually picked this up from Amazon. I believe it was roughly $200 or so. I've been keeping my eye on it for a while now and finally picked it up, and you guys, I'm so excited. I feel like I just had a lot of brown going on in my beauty room and kind of wanted to brighten it back up, so I decided to go with a white vanity, and I think it really turned out so cute, and I can't wait for you guys to see it. But yeah, go ahead and keep on watching.
Is he the reason I can't call you anymore? Why even bother with the text if you're back with your ex? Is he the reason I wanna know? Is he the reason you don't talk no more? The reason that your love has gone? Is he the reason? You could have said this ain't what you want, then I would have gone. I wanna know, is he the reason that you left? I wanna know, is he the reason I can't call you anymore? Why even bother with the text if you're back with your ex? Is he the reason I wanna know, is he the reason that you left? I wanna know, is he the reason I can't call you anymore? Why even bother with the text if you're back with your ex? Is he the reason I wanna know? I wanna know, I wanna know, I wanna know, is he the reason I wanna know?
So let me share a secret. You're the reason for these feelings. And anytime you need me, baby, you know how to reach me. 'Cause I ain't going nowhere. I already told ya, baby, when we're older.
So what I ended up doing was taking that dresser and I put it on the other side of my beauty room. I was just doing some rearranging, and I felt like I just needed something new or some type of change in this room. So I just did a little bit of rearranging to see how I felt before I went out and bought anything. I normally do this to save money because I really don't want to go out and buy anything. So I'll rearrange first and see what I need, and if I don't need anything, it really helps save some money that way. But I took this fake plant that I've had for a while from IKEA, and I actually hung this on my curtain rod. Such a genius idea. I've done it down in my living room and it looked really cute, so I decided to do the same up here in my beauty room as well. If you guys are curious, the accent wall in the background, I actually did that myself. I did with paint and a piece of cardboard, and I think I actually have a video on it here on my channel, so if you guys want to check that out.
Love's growing bolder. Anywhere the road leads, anywhere we're going, everybody knows that every single moment we are matching sides, and we blur the lines as hard as we tried. Well, we couldn't fight it, you know. The angels cried out for you and I when we knew it was right. We are fire signs, baby.
Alright friends, that is everything for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel for future videos. I upload every single week, so I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!
So let me share a secret. You're the reason.